Text lady, say hello. Alright. I just got a spam call before this, and I said to them, you know what I think? I think you should stop. I think you should stop bothering me while I'm watching trains. Have a good day. And they hung up on me. You have double foreign power. Why'd I take a photo? I'll be back. Wow. This will be the first time I saw this thing leading. Let's get a good wave. Wow. Kane is killing bad on that thing. Yep. Alright, I'll be back. I wanted that report to be made faster than it was, so I can get another shot of the Penn Central and maybe sunlight. But hey, that's good for it being my first. That's good for it being the third time to see it. And the people who are subscribed that have seen my channel before know that I've seen it on an intermodal train all 3 times. On the tracks. First time I saw it, was on track 1 not leaving. Second time I saw it, it was not leaving. They might be stopping. The third time it was leaving finally. It didn't get the horn, but hey, the conductor wait. It does have some very nice views through the window. Alright. Hey. Text lady, just so you know, you can put that the Penn Central report in any color you want. Why did I start ending my recording so soon? He's gonna be raced. He is going to be raced. 29G is gonna be raced by Amtrak 43, I can guarantee it. Alright, I'll be back. Let's just helpers. something. It's that rail car snagged something. I'll be back. Yep, that's a train. We got an intermodal. I thought that was one of the DC to AC blacks. I literally thought that was one of the DC to AC blacks. Next lady, stop the cab. Alright, I'm moving. Catch, man. Welcome back. Also, get this. The other day, figure out putting it in, and you're 64 next man, and technically you're 27. And I'm sorry to say it, Texman, but you're playing the gun when you're 70. And same thing with Tex Lady, which is your sister. By the way, Tex Lady, your brother bribed me for $100 to put it back in the video. Twice. First bribe didn't go plan. Second bribe. Alright, well there goes that, and I'll be back. I don't pay attention to numbers. I don't pay attention to numbers at all unless they're here. Something cut me off, sorry. Right off. I'm in the right mind draw as a boy doctor on a tank car. Seriously, someone has to. Yeah. I'm hoping. One at the front and one at the end. Yeah, so I wonder when they're gonna. Guys, stop cutting me off!
One minute, 37 seconds later.
They just got down here and there's already helpers. They have to be moving slow. Sounds like there's one going up the mountain. Just heard a horn of some sort. Anyway. Let's see if they'll see me. They're on 1. So they're gonna be helping something go up 1. So they're going, either that or they're going back until 2 now. If anything, they're helping something because they're going slow. Hi, little dude on 7253. I'm back. Fans, I don't know if you could see this, but yeah, there is a rainbow in the clouds, but it ends right there on the main line. And right there. This is actually the closest I've ever been to a rainbow. This is cool. I'll be back. An entire clip without saying anything. Am I okay today? I'll be back. Yep, I'll be back. See if we'll still get a horn show. Say hi. Hey, YouTube. If you haven't already, subscribe to JJ Rail Fan and click that like button. We think. Miles, I was down here waiting for you. Back. Here she goes, the barcode unit. Apparently there's a gauze container on this, but I'll be right back. Can't report it, but anyway. Hey, you guys, you're gonna have to report it. I can't. Yeah, an infinite reports, but we only get a few daily. Woo-hoo! Yeah, you got it.
This is Norfolk Summer 2017 Portage, Pennsylvania. Let's go, barcode unit. Let's go.
All right, I'll be back. Got 114 leads 29G this should have been a lovely night. You guys can't see it, but I'll be right back when I put my flash on. All right, I'm back. You guys will be able to see it in the thumbnail. Woohoo! Oh my god, for a second I thought HST round. That's how close it is.
Can I say something?
Yeah. Oh, by the way, this is Miles.
Okay, so that was 8114. We just caught the barcode unit a few minutes ago. So this was a double heritage today, so let's go. And also, if you haven't already, subscribe and click that like button and hit that bell and turn to all notifications.
We think. I repeat, we think. Yeah, the temperature is close. Plenty of it.
Bring on Norfolk Summer.
I can't see it. Oh, it's on 3. Barcode unit was leading 29G on track 2, and the original Norfolk Southern was in 20. The barcode unit was leading 27G on track 2. And the original Norfolk Southern was leading it, and it's on track 3. Moving as we speak. How long is 29G? Hey, do you see the reflection? You see that reflection? That's my light. Miles, look, that's my light. That's my light reflecting off Fred. That's my light. I'll be back. Actually, no. I won't be back because that is going to have to do it for this rail fanning and portage video. I'll see you guys in part 5. Make sure to like and subscribe. I think, I'm not 100% sure. And drop a comment if you enjoyed. Also, last video, we did see an AC44DC, an ES44DC, and can we get F's in the comments for that thing on this video? Miles has to say something real quickly.
See you later, rail fans.
Later, rail fans. I can't. Can you? I can't.
Dun, 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 dun.